You've talked in the past about this kind of like who, not how. You said, yeah, that's my who,
hmm
not how thing. What is that? Can you explain that? I actually don't know the who, not how approach. What do you mean by that?
Yeah. So most business owners, and this is another mindset shift that I've had over the years, and me at the beginning, and most business owners, they see a problem, they see something that needs done in their business. They think, how can I do that? They have a problem. How can I do that? The mindset shift is if you become a good delegator and you're thinking in terms of, growing your company, when there's a problem, when there's something that needs done, instead of how can I do this, you're thinking, who can I get to do this?
Mm,
So it's not how can I go manage all my investor relations? Who can I get to manage my investor relations?
right.
That's the mindset shift that if you do it well, um, you operate from a point of very high leverage. And now at this point, there's 300 plus employees across my ecosystem, all the companies, and I don't have a job inside of my companies. I don't have a job.
Right.
If I have a job, if there is a task that Nick is the bottleneck to do weekly, monthly, whatever, I'm upset about it and it's going to change. If I have a job, it's going to change. Nobody can ask me to do anything. My job is to do one thing, and that's attract talent and hire people and set them up to succeed. So it's everything, every single thing that needs done across all of my companies. Who can do this? Not how can I do this?
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation. And it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. Recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.